Hello students, welcome to BG Mathematics class. In this video, we will find smaller numbers than given rational numbers, greater numbers than given rational numbers, and between numbers in between two given rational numbers. Question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. On the number line, 2 is here. All the numbers to the left of 2 are smaller than 2, and all the numbers to the right of 2 are greater than 2. There are infinite numbers to the left of 2, and there are infinite numbers to the right of 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, infinite numbers. And smaller numbers are also infinite. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8, infinite numbers. So you can write any 5 numbers out of these numbers. So any 5 numbers, 5 rational numbers less than, smaller or smaller than 2 is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Question number 4. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 5, 1 by 2. Here the denominators of the two rational numbers are not equal, so make the denominator equal. 2 2 ja 4, minus 4, 5 2 ja 10. Here 2 5 ja 10 and 5 1 ja 5. Minus 4 by 10 is equivalent to minus 2 by 5. 5 by 10 is equivalent to 1 by 2. Equi means equal and valence means value. Means minus 4 by 10 and minus 2 by 5 have equal value. Now, the numbers between, rational numbers between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10 are minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. Count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 rational numbers between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. Means minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. But we want 10 rational numbers. So multiply minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10 any number that you want. You can multiply by any number and get equivalent greater rational numbers, so that we can find more number of rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Multiply minus 4 by 10. Multiply denominator by 2 and numerator by 2. Here also multiply denominator by 2 and multiply numerator by 2, and we get 4 2 ja minus 8 and 10 2 ja 20. Here also 5 2 ja 10 and 10 2 ja 20. Now the rational numbers between minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20 are minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, minus 0 by 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20, 5 by 20, 6 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20, 9 by 20. These are the rational numbers between minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. and minus 8 by 20 is equivalent to minus 2 by 5 and 10 by 20 is equivalent to 1 by 2. Means these are rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Out of these numbers we can take any 10 numbers. 4 by 5. Example first, 2 by 3, 4 by 5. Denominators of these two rational numbers are not equal, so make the denominator equal first. Cross multiply. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 15, 15. Now denominators are equal. 10 by 15 is equivalent to 2 by 3. 12 by 15 is equivalent to 4 by 5. Now rational number between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15 is 11 by 15. This is only rational number between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, and we want 5 rational numbers between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So multiply numerator and denominator of 10 by 15 by any number. Let us multiply it by 2. 15 multiplied by 2. Then we get the equivalent rational number of 10 by 15. 12 by 15 multiplied by 2. 15 multiplied by 2. 10 to the 20. 15 to the 30. 12 to the 24. 15 to the 30. Now the rational numbers between these two rational numbers are 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. Means 3 rational numbers between these 2 rational numbers. Means 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, because 20 by 30 is equivalent to 10 by 15. 10 by 15 is equivalent to 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 rational numbers are equivalent rational numbers. And also here 4 by 5, 12 by 15 and 24 by 30 are equivalent rational numbers. But we want 5 rational numbers, and here we get 3 rational numbers. Then again multiply numerator and denominator of this rational number by greater number. So 10 by 15 multiplied by 10. 10 by 15 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. And 12 by 15, numerator is multiplied by 10 and denominator is also multiplied by 10. Now 10 tens are 100 and 15 tens are 150. 12 tens are 120 and 15 tens are 150. 100 by 150 is equivalent to 2 by 3. 120 by 150 is equivalent to 4 by 5. Now the rational numbers between these two rational numbers is equal to 100 and 150. 101 divided by 150. 102 divided by 150. 103 divided by 150. 104 divided by 150. 105 divided by 150. 106 divided by 150, and so on. 12 multiplied by 10, 15 multiplied by 10 means 150. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Means 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We get more than 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers, but we want only 5 rational numbers. That's why write only 5 rational numbers between given 2 rational numbers. Example second of question 5, minus 3 by 2, 5 by 3. Rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Make the denominator equal first. By cross multiplying, minus 3 3s are minus 9, 2 3s are 6. Here 2 5s are 10. 3 2s are 6. Now we want 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Minus 9 by 6 and here minus 8 by 6. Before minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6. Minus 7 by 6. Minus 6 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, 6 and so on. And we want only 5 rational numbers. So out of these rational numbers we can select any 5 rational numbers and write answer. Example third of question 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here the denominators of these 2 rational numbers are not equal. Make the denominators equal first by cross multiplying method. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Now the denominators are equal. 2 by 8 is equivalent to 1 by 4 and 4 by 8 is equivalent to 1 by 2. And the rational number between these 2 rational number is 3 by 8. This is the only rational number between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. But we want 5 rational numbers. So multiply numerator and denominator of these both the numbers by any number. 2 by 8, numerator of 2 by 8 is multiplied by 5, denominator of 2 by 8 is multiplied by 5. Here numerator is multiplied by 5 and denominator is multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10, 8 5s are 40, 4 5s are 20, 8 5s are 40. 11 by 40, after 10 11, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, 14 by 40, 15 by 40, 16 by 40, 17 by 40, 18 by 40, 19 by 40, 20 by 40. We can write any 5 rational numbers out of these rational numbers. These are between rational numbers. These are rational numbers between 10 by 40 and 20 by 40. And 10 by 40 is equivalent to 1 by 4. 20 by 40 is equivalent to 1 by 2. Means these are rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Out of these rational numbers we can write any 5 rational numbers.